Hello YouTubers. In this video we're going to be changing out the turn signal bulbs on my 2009 Saab 9.3 Aero cross-wheel drive. The goal of the video is to make some bulbs that aren't for this car fit this car. And I'm going to show you how I did it. I've already changed them out. What I wanted was a blue hue bulb. You can tell they're blue in there, in the reverse and in the turn signal, but they still blink orange on both sides. You can tell. I just felt with the blue, I didn't want to see amber up in there. I felt like these iced out lights look good, and the blue gives it a more iced out appearance, and it's something different, something that sets it off, that's not outrageous. It's very unique. I like it. In fact, I'll show you the bulbs. I have the same bulbs on the front. So let me get the key and I'll show you how these things work, and then we're going to walk through what I did to make them fit. So here are the bulbs we bought. They are the Silverstar 1156A STs. So let me take a moment and explain the Saab to you. The Saab is a single filament bulb. Single contact point bulb, meaning when you turn and activate the turn signal, it activates the bulb and the bulb cuts off. Cuts the bulb on, cuts the bulb off, cuts the bulb on, cuts the bulb off until you turn off the turn signal. And what you're looking at here on the left is the Saab bulb. It is a single contact point. If you see the bulbs on the right, they are dual contact point, meaning they come on probably with a parking light, and then they get brighter when you activate the turn signal. So it needs two ways to communicate with the bulb to make it do something. That's not the Saab. The one on the right is not the Saab. The Saab is on the left. Next, we have to understand exactly what socket the Saab uses. And it uses the BAU15S. And if you look here, the PY21W bulb, which the Saab uses for its turn signal, uses the BAU15S socket. And if you see here, you're looking at 9 and 2, those nibs pointing out. That is the Saab bulb. However, the bulbs that we bought, the 1156, is a single filament bulb, but they are directly across from one another, 9 and 3. Therefore, they don't fit. When you go to push it in and twist, they won't work. So what I've done is I've taken the BA15S bulb, BA15S socket, the 1156 bulb, and I have grounded down one of the nibs, whichever nib you feel like, doesn't matter, and inserted it into the BAU15S socket of the Saab. And that's what I did, and that's what we're getting ready to walk through. All right, so here is our nib. We're going to file down. I'm just going to start by filing it down. And that is it. You got to bear with me. I am holding down the panel that that covers this area. You have to hold it down or it wants to flop back up. So we just unhooked the other one, and now we're going to insert the other one, and it's just fine on the one nib. Works like a champ. Let me plug it back in. Excuse me, goes this way. All right, let's take a look out back. There we are with our blue bulb-ish in there. Now let's go crank the car back up again. Let's make sure no checks. Good. Let's do that side. Works like a champ. For me, I think the blue just gives it a little something else. It sets it apart from others. In fact, let's shut this. I don't know, it looks more iced out with the blue than with orange, amber in there. Can't do anything with the red. They don't make a red diadem Silverstar bulb, but they do make them in turn signals and in, actually they don't even make them in the reverse. That is a Silverstar regular old blue bulb, or a whiter bulb, a whiter white, makes it whiter. Yeah, I like the blue. Just gives it a little icing on the cake. Yeah, I think I like it. Anyway, YouTubers, quick little video, how to walk through, how to change out bulbs. If you want a certain style, certain color in there like I wanted, you can make it work with what's out there on the market. Just have to think outside the box. Anyway, YouTubers, if you like the video, like the video.